you come to see the Christ the Redeemer statue, you have two ways to get here. You can take a train up and then stop at 227 steps up, or there's an elevator that takes you up a few floors and then the escalators the rest of the way. Or you can take a bus. They have little shuttle buses that will bring you up here as well. I recommend getting here early in the morning. We're here at 7:30 in the morning, and you can see how busy it is. Imagine at the peak of time. So you're probably best to get here in the morning. And I recommend taking the train. I've heard it's the fastest way to go about getting up here also. And you get to see the rainforest as you come up. So let's go check out Christ the Redeemer. We are at the end of the Copacabana beach. If we head that way, you go to Empanilla Beach. I hear there's a girl from Empanilla there. don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, please. It will really help out the channel, and it gives you great access to all the great destinations I've been to and will be going to. Thanks.